Namaskar, I am Aditi Basu Roy, Principal, GRADS International School, Greater Noida, and Assistant Secretary, Abha Mission for Social Health and Education. I am very glad to know about Abhivira Foundation's project School and Hospital Connect for medical awareness throughout Uttar Pradesh during this COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to cooperate and give my contribution to this movement. I'm happy to be a part of this movement. Now, because we Indians came to know about this COVID-19 and we are affected by this COVID-19 coronavirus after so many countries got affected, got cured. From their learning, we learned. And so our mitigation was much earlier, much better than many other countries of the world, thanks to our government, because they learned and they initiated the right project, right moment, the right and awareness lockdown at the right moment. So that was a great initiative. And also I would like you to send my message that during this pandemic, stay at home as long as possible, as much as possible. Work from your home, because this is a virus attack. And as you are aware already, we are much aware, we Indians are much aware of this coronavirus. And as we are aware, this coronavirus is a retrovirus, that means that RNA virus. It's very difficult to control it. And as you are also must have been aware that viruses cannot be killed by antibiotics. Antibiotics cannot address virus. So because the viruses, they actually use our body mechanism and they use our system to multiply. So it is our body's immunity which contribute to the stop and the fighting of this virus, what you want to say. So this our immunoglobulin, our IgG, how we make our immunoglobulin, that is very important. So being fit, being immune to this virus is very important. So more we have the comorbidity, that more we have prone to other diseases, and when immunosuppressant diseases, or we have some other diseases which autoimmune diseases. So those patients which have some kind of medical emergencies or any kind of immunity suppression, they should never be exposed to this virus. They should be kept away as much as possible from this virus. And also it is very important to learn and know about the mitigation, learn and know about the how much what we can do to save ourselves. You know, so many great people and famous people, aware people, doctors, they are also getting affected. So it is the time to understand that it is, take it seriously, that which many of us are not taking seriously. When the lockdown is lifted by government for this economic activities, we take it that it is a party time and we go out to meet people, meet friends, meet relatives, and want to party. So that we must understand that this is not the party time. If the lockdown is lifted, that is because of the economy of the country, to survive for the poor people. This is a country of so millions and millions, billions of poor people. So to think about them, we have to lift lockdown. The government had to lift lockdown, but that doesn't mean that who can afford to stay home, please stay home. That is my request. And also I would request you to download Arogya Setu app, where you get a lot of knowledge, lot of information day in day out. And also I would like you and appeal to you to download Ayush Kavach app, which will tell you a lot of way to save yourself from this pandemic. Please stay safe, stay happy. Namaskar.